Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 2.0 P400e Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Hakuba silver metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 21-inch 5 V-spoke alloy wheels with a satin dark grey finish, really complementing against the Hakuba silver exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, where you can either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which is ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 6,072 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, along with terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain. You also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. And of course, you also have your front heated seats. Paired with a dual zone climate control, this ensures both you and your passenger travelling in the front are kept at a comfortable temperature every time. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 40 miles. On a 7kW charger, it can take up to 2.5 hours to charge fully. On a 3-pin charge, it can take up to 8 hours, and on a rapid charge, it can take up to 30 minutes. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover Velar 2.0 P400e Dynamic HSE. That's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.